Okay, how will you feel when your channel gets terminated? A channel that you have built over several years and just suddenly YouTube just deleted that channel from their platform. How will you feel? So that's the case of this creator that I'm going to talk about. His channel has over 52,000 subscribers, and suddenly one day YouTube just terminated his channel just for no reason, or what they term as violating one of their policies. So this creator appealed YouTube's decision, and YouTube insisted that his channel violated their policy. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how this creator made a single action that brought back his channel to the platform. This creator, I'm going to share with you, some of the conversation we had, the chat we had on Instagram that eventually led to him getting back his channel. So here you can see that he reached out to me sometime in April 28th. So he told me that YouTube removed his channel, and I also asked him what kind of content he was making on his channel to be sure that everything is in order. So he told me, he explained what he was doing on his channel, and also shared me a screenshot of the message that YouTube sent to him that he has already appealed, and YouTube said that we review your channel carefully and confirm that it violates our spam, deceptive practices and scam policy. So this was the policy that his channel violated. And if you guys could remember, there was a time I made a video about a channel that used a particular feature in YouTube Shorts that got his channel terminated. This was the same channel. This is the same creator. So fortunately, he has gotten his channel back. So back then when he told me this, I explained to him, because I asked him other questions, and he confirmed that he used this feature, that is the collab feature in Short. So back then, like, this was something like some months ago, creators were using this particular feature to get a lot of subscribers. So I don't know if it was an error from YouTube or so, because I can't understand why YouTube will introduce a feature on their platform, and when creators start using that feature, YouTube will not penalize them for using the feature. There was also a creator that his channel with over 100,000 subscribers was terminated during this period. So I have like 3-4 creators that had similar experience. So I now told this creator that because he used that feature in Short, that is why his channel was terminated, and there's no way I can help him out, because even the YouTube appeal system as of then was just the shadow of itself. When you appeal, nobody reviews. It's just, everything is just automated. So fortunately, I now advise him that he should go to X and lay his complaint. He just said let him take a try, and he did it just yesterday, and the result was amazing. Just in a matter of hours, he got back his channel. So here I'm going to share with you what he posted on X that eventually got his channel back. Thank you for your response. I understand, but please, is there any chance for a final manual review or help to recover my videos? My content was original tailor tutorials, and I may have triggered the system by posting many shots. So this was the post he made on X tagging Team YouTube, and just in a matter of hours, you can see this was posted sometime 9:27 p.m. June 14, 2026. This was just yesterday, and in a matter of hours, Team YouTube responded, "Not a problem at all. In case you missed, we DM'd you the update." So when he checked his update, just immediately, Dapo discovered that YouTube has reinstated his channel back. So he replied, "Thank you, Team YouTube. I really appreciate your help and support. I'm grateful to have my channel back." This was all he did to get back his channel. Just yesterday, he replied me and said, "Sir, I don't know how to thank you. My YouTube channel is back." And so he shared the screenshot of his YouTube channel. and then I followed your instruction and sent them text on Twitter, but they didn't respond to me since then. So I just try it again today. I launched the complaint into their DM and I tweet about it, and they come to my comment section and reply me that they will help me. I'm so glad. Thank you, sir. So I said, you are welcome. So this was the retweet he did, and this was a DM that he exchanged with Team YouTube. So what this means is that YouTube is now responding. I think their appeal system is back. They are now having the human review checking most of the appeals that is being done. You know, many months ago or early this year, and so I'm also like last year, when you have an issue with YouTube, it's just like that was the final. When you appeal, no one checks your appeal. It's just like everything was automated. But recently there has been a significant improvement in YouTube's appeal system. So if you had issue earlier and you are very sure that you didn't violate their policy and YouTube's decision was in error, I think you stand another chance to, you can still reach out to YouTube. Use the strategy that we use. Go to X, send them a DM, tweet it on X, and there could be a way out, because now it seems that they are very, very active this time around. So not only about that situation, a creator that I worked with, that was last week, YouTube demonetized her channel and she appealed, and her appeal video wasn't that complex. It was just a straightforward, because even this creator don't even know how to edit videos, so she just did a cut and join video and just joined them together and submitted as an appeal, and immediately she got back her monetization. So this is just like a few of some creators who have reached out to me or who are working with me that have gotten back their monetization. And I have other channels that have been monitoring, especially in the folktale space, that was they were demonetized, let me say, like a couple of months ago, but today they are all monetized. So don't give up hope on YouTube. If you had issue before and you think you couldn't make it again, I think you still stand a chance to retry again. You can send them a DM on Twitter, or if you still have access to their P form, you can still send it again and try it again. So I felt like sharing this good news to you, knowing that things are working. Things are coming back, and some creators on my last live stream, some creators were confirming that things are improving on their channel. So we believe, and hopefully it will be like that YouTube is coming back to its previous state, and it will favor many creators. So if you have issues applying for your YouTube monetization, if you have your AdSense challenges and you don't know how to fix it, you can sign up to my AdSense support program, where I help creators to fix their monetization problem. So if you are already about to monetize your channel and you don't want any issue with your monetization application, then just sign up. I will help you apply, set up your AdSense account, verify it, and also make sure that you get your first pay into your bank account. I do work with creators. I've worked with creators on every continent except the Antarctica continent, but every other continent, not Africa, not Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and even Australia. I've worked with a channel that is based in Papua New Guinea. Yes, I've worked with a creator in Papua New Guinea. So if you have any issues with your AdSense, or you don't want to have issue going in, then sign up to you scan the QR code on the screen or check the link in the description. So I just thought that I should share this good news with the community. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button so that you won't be missing useful videos like this on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.